Hello everyone, my name is Chris. I'm on the Learn British English Free YouTube channel. Please use the subtitles or captions to read the words on your screen for this lesson. In England, we have World Cup fever right now. We are in the semi-finals of the World Cup and most people are going crazy about it. If you have English friends or you're just following things on the internet, you might see "It's coming home" written everywhere right now, and I want to explain this to you. This expression comes from a football song. It's normal that for each major football tournament like the World Cup and the European Championships, someone does a song. The most famous one was in 1996 by a band called the Lightning and comedians Baddiel and Skinner. The title was Three Lions, as in 1, 2, 3, 3 lions on a shirt, and they used the expression "it's coming home." Now people believe that football was invented in England here. So in 1996 we had the European Championships in England. We were the hosts. People believed that football was coming home to where it was invented. And we also use this expression when we think we will win the World Cup because the trophy will come home. That's why every time we win, everyone is saying "it's coming home." The trophy is coming home. You can watch the music video. I put the link in the description along with some notes. Please read to help you understand. Three lions on a shirt. The Three Lions, we use it as the name for the football team sometimes in England. 30 years of hurt. 1966 is when we won the World Cup, the only time, to 1996, 30 years. So we hurt for 30 years. Now it's much longer, 52 years. And they talk about some old English players. That tackle by Moore, that's Bobby Moore, a famous defender when we won the World Cup. When Lineker scored. Gary Lineker is a goal scorer. He used to be in 1990 and now he's on the BBC all the time talking about the football. Bobby belting the ball. This is Bobby Charlton, another famous player in 1966. That explains "it's coming home." I hope you now understand why people are writing it everywhere. Probably your English friends. Thank you for watching. I will do the live lesson before the end of the World Cup on Learn British English on Facebook. Please follow the page there, and in the Learn English Free public group on Facebook too. You can join. Click on the links below in the description on YouTube. Please subscribe on YouTube as well for future lessons and join me on www.learnbritishenglish.co.uk. Thanks again. I will see you next time. Take care and remember, it's coming home.